What's going on, Daytona fans? Welcome back to another video, and this time we're going to take a look at some more dashcam footage that I managed to capture on my trip from Virginia. So in last week, Easter week, me and my girlfriend Beth, we went to Virginia, and of course I drove there. Aside from the fact that it was just too expensive to fly, I enjoy driving. So we drove there, and on the way back, the weather was not good at all. You know, it was very rainy, and it was very on and off. But the on and off is what was the most dangerous part. You know, when it was light, it was pretty bearable. But then when it got heavy, it got really, really heavy. It got to the point where even the fastest setting just was not cutting it. It was just so much rain, and the wipers just couldn't keep up. And I was able to capture this with my dash cam. I just wanted to let you guys take a look for yourself, and you guys be the judge on whether this was okay or not. So if we take a look at this footage right here, you're going to see a silver SUV come by my right side really, really fast, and then he slows down and eventually cuts into my lane. And I'm talking there were maybe a car and a half length between me and the person in front. I had to slam on my brakes. The people behind me had to slam on their brakes, and it just made for a really, really dangerous situation. Now that you've seen the person cut me off, and I showed you a little bit more where he continues to weave in and out and cut people off, and you can see brake lights ahead, people slamming on their brakes just because, you know, this guy's just being a jerk. And I just really want to talk about this because it's so unnecessary, especially in the conditions that we were driving in. You know, I've showed you some off and on rain, and I took this video, which was a 3-minute video, and then I took the next 3 minutes on my dash cam, and that light rain, heavy rain, it was going off and on the whole time. So to think that in a 6-minute window there was this like pattern of heavy and light rain, you would drive a little more carefully. But this person, he just disregards everything, disregards other people's safety, his own probably, and just does whatever they want to do. You know, cut in, cut out, cut in, cut out, making everybody slam on their brakes. And it's one of those times where I kind of wish the police was around, but you know what? They can't be everywhere, and that's all right. You know, that's the way life is. I firmly believe in karma, and I believe that somewhere down the line, this person's going to get theirs, whether it's in the form of a motor vehicle stop or something like that, or something else. I don't know. I'm never going to see this individual again, hopefully. And you know, whatever happens to this person, it's you know, it's on them. This particular incident won't really get to me, but I thought it was a very good dash cam footage to pull off my dash cam and show you guys just how irresponsible some people are. And it doesn't matter if you drive a Mopar, it doesn't matter if you drive anything else. Drive responsibly, especially in weathers like this, especially when the traffic is not that light. Like, you can't just cut in and out of people's lanes just because you want to get ahead a car or two. You know, in this weather, how fast are you going to be going anyway? And of course, further down the line, there were people that got in accidents because of this weather. Now, I don't know if this Maryland driver caused the accident or not, but you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if this driver decided to cut someone off and they smashed on their brakes, and the person smashed behind them smashed on their brakes and caused an accident, and this guy just kept on going. You know what? It's his world, and we're living in it. And that's what bothers me the most. People who are inconsiderate on the road and puts other people's safety at risk. You know, go drive somewhere else. Go drive on a road that doesn't involve others. That way, you know, if you get hurt, that's on you. But you're putting other people's safety at risk just so you can get ahead of a car or two. That's completely stupid. That is just the stupidest thing you can do as a driver. So if any of you guys do this, you know what? I'm not sorry for making this video. You guys need to stop doing this. You know what? And for people who don't do this and agree with me, thank you. You know, it's not just about that person's safety. It's about everybody on the road when you start doing stupid stuff like that. All right, Daytona fans, that's it for this video. I just had to get the rant out there. I just had to just vent because it infuriated me that this person put me and Beth in danger and other people ahead of me in danger. And you know what? I'm not even going to consider his or her safety because they're doing this willingly. They don't really give a crap about people, and it's just a very stupid way to drive. Anyway, I hope you found this educational and entertaining at the same time, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace. By the way, I'm sporting some TRD today. It's good to have more than just Mopar merchandise.